Hi everyone, welcome back to pkmentor. In today's video, I will show you how to customize your blog and portfolio pages in the WoodMart theme using Elementor or WP Bakery. WoodMart latest update introduced a new brand feature that allow you to create custom layout for blog, portfolio, single post and project pages. This means you can now design these pages without touching any code. Just drag and drop with Elementor and WP Bakery. So navigate to layouts, click on the add new layouts. Give it a name like custom blog page. And here you can add the condition. You can create this layout for all blog pages or for some categories. And here you can use the predefined layouts. Then click on the create layout. And here you can customize the layout in the Elementor page builder. You can add custom headings, custom text blocks or any custom blog widgets to customize the blog page. By default, WoodMart does not allow it to customize it with page builder, but now WoodMart introduced a new feature with custom layout. Here you can see I want to add some custom design. You can simply use the page builder to customize the layout. In the layout you can add the sidebar widgets. In the layout you can add some custom blog. You can use only blog widget and change the style for blog and set items per page, set element visibility and set more settings in the page builder. Here you can see I want to set items per page and the pagination, and here you can set the pagination. If I publish the layout, then go to blog page and refresh the page. Here you can see the custom layout is applied on blog page, and here you can see the pagination control. That's the things. If you want to customize your portfolio page too, the process is the same. You can create a new layout for portfolio pages. Add new and set the portfolio layout type portfolio. And use the predefined layouts for portfolio design. You can create it custom with Elementor or WP Bakery, and that's how you customize blog and portfolio pages in WoodMart 8.2 version using Elementor and WP Bakery. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to pkmentor and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Good question, drop them in the comments. I will really help as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.